Certainly. When you refer to a 400-watt solar panel, you're typically talking about its rated power output under standardized test conditions. Here's some basic information and things to consider about a 400-watt solar panel. Size. A 400-watt panel would typically be larger than panels with a lower wattage rating. They might measure approximately 2 meters by 1 meter, though exact dimensions can vary based on the manufacturer and technology. Efficiency. This pertains to how well a solar panel can convert sunlight into electricity. While a 400W rating already gives you a measure of the panel's output, knowing the efficiency can help you understand how it stacks up against other panels. For instance, if two panels both provide 400W, but one is smaller due to higher efficiency, you might opt for the smaller one if space is a concern. Type. There are various types of solar panels based on the technology used. Monocrystalline, high efficiency, space-saving, slightly higher cost. Polycrystalline, a bit lower efficiency compared to monocrystalline, generally cheaper. Thin film, often less efficient but can be more flexible and lightweight. Price. The cost of solar panels has been decreasing over the years, but prices still vary based on brand, technology, and region. Make sure to compare prices from different suppliers, and also consider installation costs. Lifespan. Most solar panels come with a 25-year warranty, but they can last beyond that. However, their efficiency may degrade slightly each year. On average, a solar panel might lose about 0.5% of its efficiency per year. Temperature coefficient. This is an indicator of how much power output decreases for every degree above 25 degrees centigrade, 77 degrees Fahrenheit. A lower temperature coefficient is preferable because it means less loss in efficiency as the panel gets hotter. Installation. When installing a 400W panel, or any solar panel, consider factors such as optimal angle, orientation, typically south-facing in the northern hemisphere, shading, and mounting equipment. Depending on your local regulations, you may also need permits. Maintenance. Solar panels require little maintenance. Cleaning them periodically to remove dust and debris can help maintain their efficiency. Environmental factors. Consider local weather conditions. A 400W panel will produce its rated output under optimal conditions, but actual output will vary based on sunlight availability, angle of incidence, and other factors. Applications. A 400-watt solar panel can be used in a variety of applications, from residential rooftop systems to RVs and boats, or even larger commercial installations, where multiple panels are wired together. Remember that the performance of any solar panel will be influenced by various external factors. If you're considering purchasing one, it's beneficial to seek out reviews, consult with professionals, or even visit a solar installation in your area to see how it operates in real-world conditions.